wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, watch out! What? Oh! Wait, hold on, I got it. There we go. Whew. Wow. Kids, are you here already? Hi, kids. Wait, hold on one moment. You don't see me now, do you? Wait, hold on. Don't go. Don't leave. Okay. Hold on. Let me push this a little bit to the side. There we go. Hey, kids, from A to Z, from east to west. Oh, sorry. There you are. From east to west, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again! Woo! You guessed it, today we're going to be playing with our Hot Wheels set. I am so super excited because this allows me to be my own race car driver. I love driving cars. Well, I guess I'm kind of too young, but these are the cars that I'm driving. You see those loops? Oh, I can't wait to see that. That's going to be pretty cool and awesome, right? Oh, and you can drive as fast as you want. Wow, I really can't wait anymore. So let me open up my set and let's start racing. Ready? And go! Okay, kids, so the first thing I did is I cleaned up our table space so I can dump our Hot Wheel race here and start building it. So let me get it. One moment. There we go. And then I still need to get the box, and then oh, this looks very complicated. Are there any directions here? Oh, look, they're right there. Do you know how to do this, kids? Can you help me out? I really don't know what it is I'm doing. And I usually never use directions. So let me throw that away. And then I'll just see to put all of the pieces somehow together. Maybe this comes over here. And then this. Oh, that blue piece over there. No. Oh, look. Here, this I can put over here. See, I'm sure that goes over there. And then, what do we do with the small piece? Oh, we probably don't need it. And then, this I'm sure comes over here. Oh no, I'm losing everything. This goes there. Kids, I think this is the perfect time where I call, Mommy! Daddy! Help! Okay, Mom, can you help me out? So what do we do? We need the blue attachment there. I think. Do you want to read the directions? I can't read directions.
Okay. I'm so glad you're asking for help, Noah.
Okay, kids, so let me tell you a little bit about cars. Do you love cars? Well, I love cars. I can tell you all of these cars. This is a Lamborghini. Lamborghini. It's from Italy. Do you know where Italy is? Well, we'll do that in another session. This is about the cars, right? This is, what is this? This is a Porsche. A Porsche comes from Germany. Okay, and then we have, this is a, can you guess? A Cobra. A Cobra, but it's not a snake. No, the car is called a Cobra. Which manufacturer is it again?
Mustang.
Oh, Mustang. Oh, how could I forget? Mustang is my favorite car. This is a Cobra Mustang. And then we also have, no, not that one. Well, we have a police car, but you know, they're not that fast. So they're kind of boring. And then we have a Corvette. Do you know a Corvette? They're pretty cool cars. I especially like their backlights. And then what else is missing? Oh, we have a Ferrari car. And then, of course, let's see which one works on our Hot Wheels set. Should we try it out? Okay, hold on. Because, oh, wait, but we forgot. The most important car. It's a American Pontiac. The best car ever, right? I bet you this is the only car that works on this Hot Wheels set. You don't believe me? Well, let's just try it out. Oh no, that one fell out. Oh no, it just flew right out of there. Well, I guess that just leaves us with one car, and that is a Pontiac. I bet you this works. See that Pontiac going round and round, doing all the loops. Let's get the police car in there. Oh, and the police car dropped out. So what's the one car that works? The Pontiac! Woo-hoo! This is fun, isn't it, kids? Well, kids, I'm gonna continue playing with my Hot Wheels. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it so much that you want to have your own. I will see you all next time, and thank you for watching. Dream again. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Olivia, we've got mail again!
We've got mail!
Yay!
Hey kids, we've got mail!
Hi, kids!
Yay!
Look at
What
this.
is it? Whoa! This looks like it was inspired by maybe Wonder Woman
Yeah.
or Captain America
Yeah.
or maybe
Marvel.
Or
Marvel.
Marvel. Yeah, or a track runner too.
Captain Marvel.
Yeah, Captain Marvel. Oh yeah, Captain Marvel.
Right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Or a track runner.
Or a track runner.
Yeah.
Let's see who did this picture. This is really, really good. Oh, it's from Michelle. Michelle from Illinois.
Michelle from Illinois, thank you so very much.
We really like this picture. I think we're gonna use this as inspiration for when we want to feel heroic.
Yeah.
Or if I want to run really, really, really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a very nice picture.
It really is.
I think it's a very beautiful person. I mean,
Yeah.
quite some good detail there.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think I could draw a person that good.
Yeah,
Look
I
at
don't
the
think,
hair
I know
and-
I can't do it that
Yeah,
well.
and the hands, and look, she's in like a stance where she's like,
Yeah.
"Roar, I'm tough.
Hi-ya."
I could take on the world."
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I like those pink shoes. You must, maybe
Oh,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
get some of those pink shoes
I
yourself.
would love some of those pink shoes.
Yep.
That'd be lovely.
Well, Michelle, thank you so very
Yeah,
much.
thank you, Michelle. Good job. I can't wait to hang this up.
Thanks for sending us mail. We
Yay.
look forward to
Mhm.
getting even more mail.
Yay, more mail.
Yay.
Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Okay, bye. Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks.